So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install MetaPixel on a Netlify website. So if you have your website built on Netlify and you're finding it difficult to or update your MetaPixel on the website, right, then this video is for you. The first thing that you're going to do is to come to your Netlify account, right? So on the Netlify account, try to locate the project. So you can go to project section or you can click on the project from here directly. So on my end, this is the project, like this is the only project I have for now, right? So all I have to do is to come here to where I have my project, right? Then I'm going to go to the left hand side of the screen where there is project configuration. So I'm going to be clicking on this project configuration, then come to the section where we have a build and deploy. So in this section where we have build and deploy, click on the option that says continuous deployment. So once you click on this option, you also have to scroll down further to the section where we have a snippet injection. So in this snippet injection, this is where you have to add your MetaPixel code, right? So click on this add pixel. Now, add snippet rather. So when you click on this add snippet, you see insert before, you see body, right? And you know, like if you have been using MetaPixel for a while now, you know that the code is to be installed on the header section, not on the body. So all you have to do is to click on this drop down arrow. So once you click on this drop down arrow, click on this head, right, which is the second option. Then you just have to give it a name, right? So I'm just going to say something like MetaPixel. So I'm just going to say MetaPixel here. Then the next thing, I'm going to go to my Meta event manager, right? So on the event manager here, I just need to grab my pixel code, right? So for this particular pixel, right, all I have to do is to scroll down to where we have integration. So in this section, I'll have integration. I'm going to click on MetaPixel. Then I'm going to click on install pixel on a new website. Then click on this install code manually. Then I'm going to click on copy code. So I'm going to copy the code. All I have to do is to come here to click on paste, right? Then I'm going to click on save changes. Now that we have pasted the MetaPixel, the next thing is to be sure that the code is actually firing correctly. So all we have to do is to click on their website URL, right? So I'm going to click on the website URL and we are going to be taken to a new tab. So okay, it has fully loaded, right? Now that it has fully loaded, all I have to do is to go to the list of extensions that I have here, right, and go to MetaPixel helper, right? So you can see that one pixel found. So this shows that we have successfully installed a MetaPixel on this particular website that is hosted on Netlify. So this is all you guys need to know, and if you gain value from this video, please subscribe for more valuable content like this.